Cognizant became a CEO factory. 5 ex-employees has become CEO in other industry in 30 days of time. How, when, everything I will tell you in this video. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Cognizant is a global tech giant company, and from this company 5 employees were gone outside to join outside. These 5 employees were at the higher position of Cognizant. Now, as you know, I have previously also told in my videos that due to this lockdown, due to this pandemic time, every other company are firing their employees. They are getting lost day by day. But companies like Cognizant, Infosys and other IT company, they are got into a great profit in this. Their share prices has gone high. Because of this, the employees of Cognizant, the 5 employees of Cognizant were placed at the higher level. Their salary were at a higher level. Now going outside, they get a chance to be a leader in a next environment or next company. So they left the Cognizant job and they appointed somewhere else as a CEO. Let me go into the detail. What IT expert says about the particular industry. They say that Cognizant is a global leader. Cognizant got a huge profit in the lockdown, in the pandemic time. From 2016, Cognizant jumped 2 steps forward to grow its career, to grow its height. Now the employees were at the leadership position of Cognizant. They have a great experience, they have a great history in the environment of Cognizant, and due to this benefit, they have a previous background, they have joined in other companies and they became a CEO. Huge transfer from one position to another position. Similarly, in recent days, 4 companies like Capgemini, Wipro, IBM, Accenture have changed their leadership. The candidates have gone through leadership changes. This structural environment, structural changes is going on nowadays. It's a great benefit for the candidates. Taking consideration this situation that if you are a candidate, you want to make your career in software development field, you can check out to my channel, you can stay subscribed to my channel. I provide daily information, update about candidates, update about company, update about job in here in this channel. This will be help you to make your career growth in the software industry. Now if you are a person who want to grow your business, who want to make software, then you can directly contact me through the above links. So right now, I hope that this video is helpful for you. I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.